My name is Sarah Bao, and I'm a freshman here at NU. So just a little bit about myself. My hometown is Rochester, New York, about an hour and a half away from here. This is just a picture of the cityscape, and I really love Rochester, so I plan to move back once I graduate from Niagara with my master's degree. And this on the right is a picture of my high school, and I graduated in June of 2017, and it's named Our Lady of Mercy High School, and it's a Catholic private all-girls school. So my education is that I'm a business management major with a minor in hospitality, and I hope to own and manage many high-tier companies such as country clubs, hotels, etc. once I work my way up through my career goals. And that's a reason that I'm minoring in hospitality, because hotels and country clubs are really part of the hospitality industry. So my on-campus involvement is that I'm a tour guide, and I'm training to be a tour guide right now, so I'll fully be a tour guide in the 2018-2019 academic year. I'm part of Camp Courage, which is a club that has to do with Camp Good Days, and I'm also in the process of applying to be a CA currently. Just a little bit about my hobbies and my family. So at home, I'm very active with my community service. Last year I hosted a blood drive and I got 50 donors through the Red Cross, which was really great. And just some pictures of my family. So over on the right is my brother and my dog. This is a picture of my dad and I. This is a picture of my mom and I. And this is my friend group, Allie, Skylar, Matt, me, and Izzy. So that's just a little bit about my life.